Types of houses.
Apartment. A home inside a building with many separate units. I live in a small apartment in the city center. Her apartment has a beautiful view of the river. Apartment. Detached house. A house that is not connected to any other house. They bought a detached house with a big garden. A detached house is usually more private than a flat. Detached house. Semi-detached house. A house that shares one wall with another house. We live in a semi-detached house next to my uncle. The semi-detached house is cheaper. Semi-detached house. Cottage. A small house, usually in the countryside. They spent the weekend in a cozy cottage. The cottage is surrounded by green fields. Cottage. Cabin. A small wooden house, often in forests or mountains. We stayed in a cabin during our mountain trip. The cabin was warm even in the cold weather. Cabin. Bungalow. A single-story house. My grandmother lives in a small bungalow. The bungalow has no stairs, so it is very comfortable. Bungalow. Penthouse. A luxury apartment on the top floor of a building. They live in a penthouse in New York City. The penthouse has a private rooftop terrace. Penthouse. Villa. A large luxury house, often in vacation areas. We rented a villa by the beach. The villa has a private swimming pool. Villa. Mansion. A very large and expensive house. The actor lives in a huge mansion. The mansion has more than 20 rooms. Mansion. Hut. A small, simple shelter made of basic materials. The villagers live in wooden huts. We saw a hut near the river. Hut. Single-family home. A house for one family only. They bought a single-family home in the suburbs. The single-family home has a private garden. Single-family home. Farmhouse. A house on a farm. They live in an old farmhouse in the countryside. The farmhouse is surrounded by animals and fields. Farmhouse. Duplex. A house divided into two separate homes. We live in one side of a duplex. The duplex has two separate entrances. Duplex. Townhouse. A multi-floor house connected to others in a city. They bought a modern townhouse in the city. The townhouse has 3 floors and a garage. Igloo. A dome-shaped house made of snow or ice. Inuit people sometimes build an igloo in winter. The igloo stayed warm inside despite the cold weather. Igloo. Mobile home. A house that can be moved. They travel and live in a mobile home. The mobile home is parked near the lake. Mobile home. Studio apartment. A small apartment with one main room. He rents a studio apartment near his university. The studio apartment has a small kitchen area. Chalet. A wooden house in the mountains. We stayed in a chalet during our ski trip. The chalet had a beautiful mountain view. Chalet. Palace. A very large and royal house. The king lives in a golden palace. Tourists visited the old palace in the city. Palace. Treehouse. A small house built in a tree. The children built a treehouse in the backyard. We played games inside the treehouse. Treehouse. Adobe house. A house made from clay and straw bricks. Many people in deserts live in adobe houses. The adobe house stays cool in hot weather. Adobe house. Lighthouse house. A house built near the sea that guides ships using light. The lighthouse house stands on a rocky coast. They visited an old lighthouse house during the trip. Lighthouse house. Caravan. A movable home used for travel or camping. They traveled across Europe in a caravan. The caravan has a small kitchen inside. Caravan. Loft. A large open apartment, often in an industrial building. He lives in a stylish loft downtown. The loft has high ceilings and big windows. Loft. Manor. A large country house, usually old and elegant. They stayed in a historic manor. The manor has beautiful gardens. Manor. Athship. An eco-friendly house made from recycled materials. The athship uses solar power. They built an athship in the desert. Athship. Dormitory. A shared building where I live in a university dormitory. The dormitory has shared bathrooms. Dormitory. Ranch. A large farmhouse with land for animals. They work on a cattle ranch. The ranch is very big and open. Ranch. Single-family home. A house for one family only. They bought a single-family home in the suburbs. The single-family home has a private garden. Single-family home. Castle. A large, strong historic building used for defense or royalty. We visited an ancient castle in Scotland. The castle stands on top of a hill. Castle.